Your S24 comes loaded with AI capabilities that will maximize your Galaxy experience and productivity. First, always make sure you're signed in to your Samsung and Google accounts to get the most out of Galaxy AI. Use Circle to Search to instantly learn more information about an object that catches your eye. Capture clear content with Zoom Nightography and high-resolution zoom, regardless of darkness or distance. Improve communication with Chat Assist to effortlessly translate text within your messages. With Generative Edit on S24, use the power of AI to tilt and straighten your photos, or resize, reposition, and remove objects. Let Note Assist take care of the summarizing, formatting, and even translating of your note. Use Live Translate to seamlessly talk on the phone with others who speak a foreign language. For more tips and tricks with your device, head to the Tips app and explore the helpful content inside. When there's so much to do and so little time to do it, rely on Galaxy AI to help keep up with the speed of life.